The pyramids of ancient Egypt stand as monumental testaments to the ingenuity, ambition, and cultural values of the civilization that constructed them. Among these awe-inspiring structures, Khufu's Great Pyramid at Giza holds a distinguished place in history as the largest pyramid ever built, reflecting the extraordinary capabilities of ancient Egyptian engineering. Khufu, also known as Cheops, commissioned the Great Pyramid, which took approximately 20 years to construct. This monumental undertaking involved thousands of skilled laborers, engineers, and architects, all working collaboratively to realize Khufu's vision. The construction process involved advanced knowledge of mathematics and astronomy, as well as sophisticated organizational skills to manage the logistics required for sourcing materials and coordinating labor. Upon its completion, the Great Pyramid originally stood at an impressive height of 146.6 meters, 481 feet. This remarkable structure maintained its status as the tallest man-made building in the world for over 3,800 years, only to be surpassed in the 19th century. Its enduring height and grandeur captured the imagination of generations, solidifying its place as one of the most significant achievements of human architectural endeavor. The construction of the Great Pyramid required the use of an estimated 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing between 2.5 and 15 tons. These massive stone blocks were quarried, transported, and meticulously assembled to create the pyramid's imposing structure. The sheer scale of the materials involved and the precision with which they were laid demonstrates the remarkable engineering skills and logistical planning of the ancient Egyptians. Today, approximately 138 pyramids still stand across Egypt, a testament to the enduring legacy of ancient Egyptian engineering and their beliefs in the afterlife. Each pyramid was crafted not only as a tomb for the pharaohs, but also as a symbol of their power and divinity. The continued existence of these iconic structures serves as a link to the past, allowing us to glimpse the aspirations and cultural practices of a civilization that has fascinated and inspired people for millennia. In summary, the pyramids of ancient Egypt, particularly Khufu's Great Pyramid, represent the remarkable achievements of one of history's most iconic civilizations. From its construction, over 20 years, to its maintenance of the title of the tallest man-made structure, the Great Pyramid embodies the complexity and ambition of ancient Egyptian society. Through the use of massive stone blocks and meticulous engineering, these structures continue to stand, showing the world the lasting impact of ancient Egyptian ingenuity and the profound cultural significance of their architectural accomplishments.